Alright, we're gonna start talking to Dad. Leave him a message. Say, la la. Oh. My goodness. Smiling and blowing bubbles and talking. Huh? You hear it? She said hi. She said hi. Yeah. You're just talking up a storm. Ah. 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 I love those baby noises. I love those baby noises. Yes, I do. You talking to your birdie? You talking to the birdie? We hear you. Look at you just kicking. Tell us all about it. Tell us all about it. Hi. Hi, Missy Maddie. You make some funny noises. Well, you gotta swallow. You gotta swallow so you don't choke. How? Ah. So pretty much Madison just said she loves you and she misses you and she can't wait for you to come home. Yeah, I think that's what that means. Say bye, Daddy.